Locked out of your Discord account? Don't worry, resetting your password is easier than you think. Follow this quick step to get back online in no time. But first, make sure to save this video for your future reference. Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life, and today I'll walk you through the process of how to reset Discord password. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. First, tap the Discord app icon on your device to open the app. On the login screen, you will see your forget your password link below the password field. Tap it. Go to the email box for the address you entered. Open the email from the Discord. And tap the reset password button. This will redirect you to the secure password reset page. Enter a strong and unique password. Use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Tap on the change password button. After successfully resetting your password, go back to the app. And type in your email and the new password. And tap login to access your account. So this is how to reset Discord password. Thank you for watching Take My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.